How to delete wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete wallpaper on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Deleting wallpaper on iPhone is quite easier than it looks, and all that you have to do is simply go to your lock screen and tap hold on the lock screen until you see the customize button. Now, swipe up on the wallpaper that you want to delete, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete this wallpaper. If you delete the wallpaper will be removed from both the lock screen and the home screen, and this is how you can delete wallpaper on your iPhone. You can simply swipe through the options to add a new wallpaper, or you can also tap on the plus icon and select a new wallpaper for your iPhone. So this is how you can delete wallpaper on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.